Happy birthday.
Thank you, my Satsi. Somebody calling me. Wow. Surprise me. I'm early in the morning wake up. Oh, happy birthday. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful cake. Wonder Woman. Oh my god. Oh, nice. Wow. Beautiful cake. Wonder Woman. Nice. My Satsi. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your surprise to me. Today is my birthday. Today is, for me, it's Wonder Woman. For me, it's Wonder Woman 3. Wow, beautiful. Oh, my gosh. Later. I want to we eat first breakfast before open this. Thank you so much. Today is my net holiday and I'm so happy that I'm 48 today. I'm 48 now. Goodbye 47. I'm 48 now. Thank you Lord for everything that I have now for my life. Especially now I open my geschenk, my gift to my husband today because today is my birthday. Surprise, what is inside? I understand. Very nice stashi. Very tight. I saw. Wow, beautiful rucksack, backpack. And every morning to my work, that is important to me. Every day. Because you know na in winter time, many things to do inside, to get inside. I like the Furby. Thank you, my dear. Thank you so much. I'm very happy this stashi. I love it. Thank you. And also this virus. I like. Thank you for your surprise to me this morning, and you make decoration also. I'm very appreciated. Everything. I love you. To you. Thank you. Now. Wow. I like. Yeah. This is what I need. I like this. Perfect for daily work. Go. Nice color. I like the color. And then the schlüssel. Here the key. Oh, so deep, sure. On. The handy cell phone. And the wallet, everything is here inside. Wow. Very nice. I like it. I like also the color. Had out in at the back, mini compartment. Oh, so deep. Nice. ID or whatever here inside. Permanent inside. Wow. I love it. I love also this. I appreciate this. Oh. Key holder for the slow cell, for the key in the everything in the work. Nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. And thank you, Lord. I'm 48 today. And thank you for your good health. everything. I cannot say everyone, but thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. And also my husband, thank you. Thank you for everything you gave me. Nice. Oh, very nice. Wow.
Also dann, Happy Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Helen. Happy birthday to you. Alles Gute zum Geburtstag.
Danke. Dankeschön. Wonder Woman. The figure.